Hello my technical friends, this is lab 4.4.4 and we are going to manage system services. So while working on your Linux server, you want to practice starting, stopping and restarting a service using the systemctl command. So in this lab, your task is to use the systemctl command to start Bluetooth service. Use the systemctl command to start Bluetooth service and also use the systemctl command to restart Bluetooth service. So after each command, you can check the service status with the systemctl command. So that is all we need to do in this lab. Let us go ahead and start up lab. Okay, so we'll wait for the lab to load. So in case you need a detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab, be it Network Plus, Security Pro, Linux Pro, and what have you, you might want to consider joining my professional membership, where you will be able to get a detailed one-on-one video guide to be able to solve any of the lab at all. So we'll still wait for the lab to load. Alright, so this lab has loaded, and so I guess we'll go ahead and start up. You open terminal. While in terminal, we are going to type in systemctl space start space Bluetooth dot service, and you press enter, and then you type in systemctl space star STSUS space Bluetooth space service. Nope. It's supposed to be dot service. Okay, so we'll press enter. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay. I guess there's an error there somewhere. So I'm going to copy and paste this here again and go ahead and correct. I'm going to go ahead and correct this. It's supposed to be status. Then you press enter. Now it is successful. So we type in systemctl space stop space Bluetooth dot service, and then you go ahead and press enter. And then when you press enter, you type in let's see, you type in systemctl stop Bluetooth dot service. Press enter, and then systemctl restart system. Nope. Okay, it's supposed to be restart Bluetooth dot service. So you press enter, command not found. There is a mistake somewhere. Oh, okay. I found a mistake here. Okay. So there's a space between the system and the CTL. That is a mistake. So go ahead and press enter. So type backspace for this and we'll press enter. The system CTL, just copy and paste and we'll come here and edit. Let's see, we edit this, press enter, and we'll go ahead and score lab. So should in case you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit. Also like and subscribe to the channel, and also consider joining my professional membership where you get insider spec on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.